Welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today, I'll show you how to mirror your Android screen to your PC wirelessly using ADB and ScrewPie. No USB cable needed, just a Wi-Fi connection. This is perfect if you want to control your phone from your PC without any wires. Let's get started. Step 1. Download ScrewPie, screen mirroring tool. First, we need ScrewPie, a free and powerful tool for mirroring Android screens. Here's how to get it. 1. Open your browser and search for ScrewPie GitHub on Google. 2. Click the first result and scroll down to the Releases section. Three. Download the ScrewPie zip file for Windows. 4. Once downloaded, extract the zip file into a folder of your choice. Under System Variables, find and select Path, then click Edit. 2. Click New and type the full path to your ADB folder. Click OK on all windows to save the changes. Now let's set up wireless ADB. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on your phone. Before we connect wirelessly, we need to enable USB debugging. 1. Open Settings, About Phone. 2. Tap Build Number 7 times to enable developer options. 3. Go to Settings, Developer Options, and turn on USB debugging. 4. Also, enable wireless debugging if your Android version supports it. Now connect your phone to your PC using a USB cable for the initial setup. Step 3. Find your phone's IP address. To connect wirelessly, we need your phone's local IP address. Instead of checking Wi-Fi settings, we'll get it using Command Prompt. 1. Open Command Prompt Print on your PC. 2. Type cmd-ipconfig. 3. Look for default gateway under your Wi-Fi connection. 4. The first 3 parts of this address, e.g. 192.168.1.1, indicate your network range. 5. To find your phone's exact IP, type cmd-arp-a. 6. Check the list and find an IP similar to your default gateway, but with a different last number. That's your phone's IP. Step 4. Enable ADB over Wi-Fi. Now open Command Prompt in the ScrewPie folder and type command ADB TCP P5555. This tells ADB to listen for wireless connections on port 5555. Now disconnect your USB cable and run command ADB connect your IP address 5555. Replace your IP address with the IP you found earlier. If successful, ADB is now connected wirelessly. Step 5. Start ScrewPie wirelessly. Now just type command ScrewPie. Your Android screen should appear on your PC, completely wireless. And that's it. You've successfully mirrored your Android screen to your PC wirelessly using ADB and Sky. No more USB cables. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tech tips. See you in the next one.